Greetings, junior soldiers. Welcome back to SRT News. Today's topic, programs. Do you play in the band or sing in the songsters or singing company? Do you go to Sunday school? Do you come to junior soldier classes? If so, then guess what? You're part of a Salvation Army program. Our Army's mission is to share God's love with the world. But when we do that, we're looking at helping the whole person. That's why Salvation Army programs address the body, spirit, and relationships. That means that if someone is hungry, we've got a plan to give them food. If someone is lonely, we've got a plan to bring them into our core family. And if someone is confused about his faith, we've got a message of the hope that comes from a relationship with Jesus Christ. For more, let's go out to the field. First up, Turk. What are you up to today, Turk?
Thanks, Kat. I'm on location at the corner of 8th Street and Washington Avenue. This neighborhood's got a lot of folks in need, and we're doing our monthly food bank run. We bring the mobile unit out here because it's easier for these folks if we come to them instead of asking them to come to us.
Interesting. What would you say to people who might insist that you have people come to church services before getting food?
I'd say it's hard to concentrate on the Bible when your stomach's growling. It doesn't mean you don't want to learn, but we're all human. If sharing the gospel is about showing people God cares about them, then I think God knows that sometimes they could use a sandwich first. Over and out, Kat.
Thanks, Turk. Now let's switch over to Bram, joining us from a Sunbeam class already in progress.
Thanks, Kat. I'm joining you from the Fellowship Hall, where dozens of girls have joined together in some sort of communal design project. I'm told they're calling this effort Making Friendship Bracelets.
Looks like fun. And does it seem like the Sunbeams are enjoying the effort?
I'd say so. In fact, while several participants began this activity sitting alone, I've observed them slowly being drawn into the larger group, where everyone is now learning together as a whole. Back to you in the studio, Kat.
Thanks, Bram. So, junior soldiers, as you can see, our core programs are about much more than coming to church on Sunday. Here in the Army, we're about ministering to the whole person. But don't forget, programs need good leaders. Now's the time to look at where you could make your mark on a core program, so that future junior soldiers can get as much out of them as you are. Well, that's all for today, junior soldiers. Over and out.